The biggest threat to your leadership isn't external. It's not the markets, it's not your team, it's not even time, it's you. The real barrier to impactful leadership, it's the silent saboteur within, the inner critic. Nothing prevents our ability to make a larger impact, take risks and innovate, tap into a deeper creativity, and advance our careers more than our inner critic. You know, the familiar voice that second guesses all of our decisions, compares yourself to others and always comes up short, holds your voice back in the room, and quietly erodes confidence. And the cost? You stop trusting yourself, your influence weakens, your team senses it, performance and results suffer. What if you could flip that script in a matter of weeks? After working with levels of leaders in a wide range of industries, we've harnessed a proven method to separate you from the critic. Reclaim your inner authority and lead with grounded power. In this course, Lead from Within, Breaking Free from the Inner Critic, you'll learn how to spot the critic's patterns, tap into the deeper wisdom underneath, and lead from your inner authority. Calm, intuitive, unshakable. This work has helped hundreds of leaders access higher performance, boost team trust, and lead with impacts that last. If you're tired of playing small, and you know something inside is ready to lead more boldly, this is your moment. Because thriving isn't a destination, it's a decision. Lead powerfully. Break from the critic. Start now.